We have been walking for a while, and it is the golden hour here in the woods. But the path is well defined, and the van's at the end of this alley. But isn't this beautiful? My battery just died on the GoPro, so this is my cell phone now. And we are just about, oh look it, we are, absolutely. My battery died, so right at the end of the trail. We made it back.
I gotta show him my sexy car.
Oh, David wants to, he wants his car on YouTube, so there's his car.
Yeah.
We made it back here. Here's his, what he thinks is a sexy car. Whoa, I almost fell. So, ta-da. And of course, my sexy beast. And thank you for being here with me today on this walk in the woods. And until next episode, bye for now.